In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant Error Code VAN81. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To go ahead and fix the VAN81 error code for Valorant, all you need to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the bottom, in here type run, and then open up run underneath best match. What that's going to do is bring up the run window in the bottom left hand corner, and in here you want to go ahead and type msconfig, all one word just like this, and then click OK. That's going to go ahead and open up a window called System Configuration. Now from here you want to come up to the top. You can see we've got some different tabs. What you want to do is click onto Surfaces, and in here you want to come down first of all to the bottom and tick this box to hide all Microsoft Surfaces. Then what you need to do is come and click onto Disable All, and once you've clicked onto that, then click onto Enable. After doing this, click Apply and OK, and then all you need to do is go ahead, restart your PC, and when you restart your PC, you should now be able to launch Valorant without the VAN81 error. So that is how to fix Valorant error VAN81. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.